Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to fix volume change by itself on iPhone in iOS 17 update. Volume changing by itself on iPhone after iOS 17 update. This slider jumps randomly higher or lower without using the volume button or touching the bar. You are not the only one in this situation. Many users are facing this issue after iOS 17 update. So today in this video I'm gonna tell you how to get rid of this issue. Our step number one is disconnect Bluetooth audio devices. In most cases, the automatic volume change is caused by third-party accessory or a Bluetooth device like headphone, earpieces, or smart speaker. If you are connected to any of these, then simply disconnect it. After turning off your Bluetooth and you are still facing the same issue, then try solution number two: restart iPhone. If the possible pressed, you might be dealing with an iOS 17 glitch that could be easily fixed with a restart. Shut your iPhone down and power it back on. For doing this, simply tap on settings, go back, then go to general, then tap on shutdown. Shut down your iPhone and then restart it after 15 to 20 seconds later. After restarting your iPhone and then you are still facing the volume changing issue, then try solution number 3: turn off attention awareness. For doing this, simply go to your settings and then go to Face ID and passcode. Enter your passcode. Now you can see here option attention awareness feature. If it's turned off on, simply turn it off. After turning it off, then check reduce loud sound. There is one more setting that can automatically cause volume to lower automatically on iPhone. For doing this, simply go to settings. Now go to sound and haptics. Tap on headphone safety. You can see your option reduce loud sound. If it's turned on, then simply turn it off. After turning it off and you're still facing the same issue that your volume changed by itself, then try last solution. Reset all settings. By doing reset all settings, you can easily fix the issue. It will not delete any of your personal data like photos, videos or audios, but will set your settings to their default. For doing this, simply you have to go to your general, scroll down and then tap on shutdown. Sorry, go back. Then tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset all settings. Enter your passcode and fix your issue. So guys, if this video helps you, then make sure to like and subscribe my YouTube channel for upcoming videos, and thanks for watching.